Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Dr. Komal Gupta, a foreign medical graduate. I cleared my FMG examination in my very first attempt and now I am preparing for my NEET PG. So I know how overwhelming it gets at every stage and I am here to make it less scary for you. Welcome to this video, the first in a 3-part series where I am sharing how you can prepare for FMG or NEET PG examination step by step, no matter what year of MBBS you are in. चाहे आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हो या इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो, दिस इज़ फॉर यू. फॉर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टूडेंट्स, textbooks are gold. But look, I get it. I have never been a fan of reading textbooks. Textbooks feel boring. You open Guyton and suddenly your bed feels more attractive than your crush. But listen up. First and second year is not for rushing into MCQs or jumping on apps. This is your foundation year. Textbooks feel boring now, but they are like dal chawal. Not glamorous, but essential. टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ना फर्स्ट ईयर में थोड़ा बोरिंग लग सकता है, लेकिन वो बेस बनाता है. जैसे घर बनाने से पहले फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग होना ज़रूरी है, वरना ऊपर तो बिल्डिंग हिलने लगेगा. सो व्हाट यू शुड फोकस ऑन इज़ नंबर 1, रीडिंग स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स. इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग स्लो, इट्स फाइन, जस्ट स्टार्ट रीडिंग टेक्स्ट बुक्स. नंबर 2, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स, नॉट मेमोराइजिंग दैम. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग instead of just mugging it up. Make your own basic notes. It doesn't have to be aesthetic. Trust me, the fourth year you will thank you for this. A bonus tip: try to use diagrams or flowcharts or tables. Just don't start highlighting everything like you are playing Holi. No. See, MBBS it's like a slow cooked biryani. Time लगता है but flavorful आता है. Now, third and fourth year. Welcome to the chaos years. Suddenly there's clinical duties, exams, preparations, and everyone starts saying, PG का plan बना लिया क्या? This phase is like juggling on a bicycle which is on fire. Here's what you do. Start watching main videos. Topic wise, subject wise, or just based on what you are learning in college, but at the same time also start solving MCQs. Don't wait for syllabus to be complete to start solving MCQs because, spoiler alert, it never feels complete. Use YouTube or any subscriptions like Marrow, Cerebellum or any app that you have. Whatever works for you. Honestly, फोर्थ ईयर तक आते आते मेरा तो टेक्स्ट बुक्स पढ़ने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता था. दे वर लाइक 90s के ज़माने के सीरियल्स, लॉन्ग, नेवर एंडिंग एंड जस्ट सो बोरिंग. So what worked for me was watching videos. They just made things more visual and easier to understand. After that, I would just add extra points into my printed notes. बस वही मेरे best friend बन गए थे इस preparation journey में. A tip: pick one subject at a time, watch the videos, solve the MCQs, and then later move on to the next one. Don't try to do 5 subjects at once. It's like texting 5 people and then crying why no one's serious. Like zero depth, all confusion. Now question arises, how to choose the right app? I get so many DMs asking me कौन सा ऐप बाय करना चाहिए, मैरो या सेरिबेलम या प्रेप लैडर. Short answer: it depends on your learning style. Apps are like shoes. The ones that fit your friend might give you blisters. So in order to select an app that works for you, you should go and first watch the demo videos. Are you zoning out or are you hooked? Secondly, check the notes. Are you able to revise them quickly? Third, faculty. Do they click with you? And fourth, evaluate the Q bank difficulties. Ask yourself, what do you want? Visual explanations or fast-paced learning? Choose yourself. If you guys want, I can make a video on how I used Marrow app effectively. Let me know in the comments below if you want a video on it. किसी भी ऐप का कंटेंट ना वो तड़के की तरह होता है जो एक सिंपल दाल को भी एकदम स्पाइसी बना देता है, बट दाल तो पहले से बनी रहनी चाहिए. Now it's time for the final year, the 5th year students or 6th year in case you are an FMGE. By now, time feels short, tension feels high, subjects feel endless. If you have enough time, start watching main videos for the important subjects like obs gynae, medicine, pharmac, surgery. But if you don't have time, you should watch the main videos for the important topics and the topics which you are not much familiar with, and watch the rapid revision videos for shorter subjects like anesthesia or dermatology, which are easy to understand, which you know that you have read before. Think of it like biryani and raita. Biryani is the main course, but raita is just to refresh, not to replace. Start solving MCQs topic wise. Okay, this is very important. Solve MCQs topic wise, build recall, note the topics in which you are making the most mistakes, and then go back and watch the main videos for that topic so that you improve on it gradually. Smart prep. Now, internship phase is fast but focused. You are juggling duties, patience, prep, and you are still expected to be happy. Don't worry, it's doable. Watch rapid revision videos. It was made for this phase. Start your day with 20 or 30 MCQs, even during breaks. On your off days, go for deeper topics and deeper subjects, the important ones. Watch their main videos only if needed. Otherwise, keep solving MCQs. Pro tip, use whatever time you get, even 20 minutes matter. Make MCQs your coffee break. Your phone can be a weapon or a distraction. Instagram will wait, microbial pathogenesis won't. फाइनल ईयर का प्रेप मंत्र तो यही है, जितना भी टाइम मिल रहा है उसको पूरी तरह स्क्वीज कर लो. ओके, नाउ वेरेवर यू आर इन दिस MBBS जर्नी, जस्ट नो दिस, ये रेस एक मैराथन है, 100 मीटर का स्प्रिंट नहीं. स्लो जाओ लेकिन रुकना नहीं. इट्स ओके टू नॉट नो एवरीथिंग. इट्स ओके टू फील लॉस्ट. You are learning, you are growing, you are showing up, and that's huge. Whether you are in first year reading your first anatomy chapter, or whether you are in your internship phase solving your 30th GT, you are still doing better than you think. Now I hope this gave you clarity on how you can start your preparation for your exam. In the next video, I'll share my personal examination prep, my study plan, my timetable, my strategies, and a full breakdown. And I'll also let you know how to keep on pushing yourself to do your best. So make sure you have subscribed my channel and turned the bell icon on so that you don't miss any video. Also, comment below which year you are in, and I will reply with tips tailored for you. I'm so glad you are here and I'm so proud of you. Now go and study, or at least open a book, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.